Well, good morning. My name is Alan Smith, as you know, Alan L. Smith, as far as Judy is concerned. And you can find my video on, pardon?
As far as Google is concerned.
As far as Google is concerned, and the professional Googler over here, yes. The last two times I was here at the podium, I spoke on our Legal Shield Services businesses, and thank you, Frank. And Frank gave a great testimonial, and then an unsolicited testimonial, both of them are unsolicited, but recently about how Legal Shield had helped him get his grandson over here despite the mother's wishes for the otherwise. So I love these, I love the testimonials, and thank you for that. Then the second time I spoke, I told you, I informed you about the 6 or 7 different kinds of identity theft, and what you should be doing about it yourself, and what you can't do that you should outsource to our third party. The third service that we offer is called GoSmallBiz.com. GoSmallBiz is a creation of Fran Tarkenton, and this is football season, so maybe you can remember back when Fran Tarkenton was an NFL Hall of Famer, Vikings quarterback. Go Vikings, right? I'm from the Midwest. Anybody else enjoy the Vikings? Nobody. Okay. No. And the Cowboys aren't on anybody's favorite list either anymore. So we've got who's playing Sunday?
Well, the Patriots.
Falcons and the Patriots. All right. Do we have any fans of either one?
No, that's not the thing.
Nobody cares.
I root against any team that plays their home games on AstroTurf. That's who I root against.
Oh, okay. I think my wife fell in love with me when she saw me sleeping in front of the Super Bowl, wearing a blue sweater. I don't know what you should have to ask her about that. No. Okay, all right. All right, Go Small Biz is a consulting service, and as a member of Go Small Biz, and I can tell you how that will work later if you wish, you can get any non-legal question answered. So there are experts that work for Go Small Biz in Atlanta, Georgia, for in the areas of marketing, in the areas of HR, and in the areas of customer relationships and websites, and just about every area of business that you or your clientele might have a question about. So I know we've got experts in this area, in this room, on marketing and nutrition and those kinds of things. But let's say Mike is not available for an answer over the phone, and you're a member of Go Small Biz. All you need to do is to log in and ask your question of them, and within a day they get back with an answer. I had a wonderful question, or I had a wonderful prospective client recently who asked me about patent searches, and so we can Google these things, but sometimes we don't know what questions to ask, let alone what the answers might be. So in this case, I logged in, I asked the question, and the next day I got an amazing amount of researched answer back. It was a page of not only text but links on how to do how to hire someone to do a patent search. And it's quite a complicated process, a lot more than I thought it would be. Something you probably don't want to do yourself. In any case, I've learned that there were patent lawyers, and I also learned that there were patent agents, and I passed this information on to my prospective client. I had another client who had a question about, she was a minority woman business owner, and she wanted to know where to find grants for her business, and that was a kind of a very unique question that I didn't want to take the time to Google and take the chance of being wrong, because not everything you find on Google is accurate, as you know. So just like you wouldn't want to Google your answers to legal questions, right? Google is not a good law firm. Google is also not a good business consultant. And so I took access to those experts at Go Small Biz, and they gave me a really good answer that I could pass on to her. Now, if she had been a member, she could have done it herself, and that was my point in demonstrating to her what the answers were. So if you as a business owner ever run across a question that we have that you can't answer or that you wish you knew the answer to, oftentimes we think we know it all or we know where it is, but sometimes we really don't know enough to know what to ask. So it is important to ask a professional for that, and that's where Go Small Biz comes in. Go Small Biz also offers website hosting and a 10-page website, and a website builder. So for someone who is brand new in business and wants to put a website up there and they can't afford Michael's services, or even if they can, sometimes having more than one website is important, right? Because it helps you get more visibility maybe in different areas of your business. And so having Go Small Biz do that for you, it's an awesome capability that one of the greatest things is the HR document builder. So when you run across clients who have employees and they're just growing and they're expanding and they're hiring new employees, do they have an employee manual? Do they have employee procedures? Do they really know what all the red tape things are that are required by the state of California and the federal government? I think those laws keep changing all the time. It's very important to have relationships with your employees and independent contractors in writing. And so it is valuable to to access these resources. And then another very huge part of this, the Go Small Biz website and back office, is the training area. There are several short video trainings on being a startup, on funding, on organizing your business, on launching your business, on growing your business, and running your business. We are all about growing and protecting your business. With a combination of Legal Shield membership and the Go Small Biz membership, you can expect that your business will grow and be protected. Any questions? Thank you for that. Yes, Michael?
I have two comments, because I am a member and I do use Go Small Biz, and when I was working on a couple of projects, one was creating an agreement for a client, for a new hire. They assisted me in getting that done, which was really, really helpful. So it absolutely is a testament to the program. It works well, and the training courses are really valuable. And they also have a database where if you needed to create a small database as a small business, you could actually, they have one available in the Go Small Biz. CRM.
CRM, yeah. That's correct, yeah. And an issues tracker as well. There's a number of tools in there that are really useful. And how much do you pay for it?
Oh, I think it's like 30 some bucks or something. I have a whole package of the legal, the Go Small Biz, and identity. I got the whole package. So I'm a full fan. Absolutely.
If you're a Legal Shield business plan member, you can add it on for $14.95 a month.
Yeah.
If not, you can become a Legal Shield small business plan member and add it on for $14.95. All right. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Al.